One of our favorite activities at school for fine motor work is opening and closing. So what we do at school is we collect lots of different bottles and boxes and have them for the children to practice opening and closing. So I thought you at home could make your own opening and closing activity. Today I went around the house and found a bunch of things that open and close. I found a Tupperware container, a yogurt container, a jewelry box. This was a card box, an iPhone earbud container, a squirt bottle, and one of the girls' fancy purses. So you can see a lot of different ways to open and close. And then I found an empty basket to put everything in. This is really fun to prepare with everyone in the family. And the children can just practice opening and closing them. Zeta, do you want to choose a box to open and close? Okay.
This isn't really a box.
Would you like to choose another one?
Should I just open it?
Yeah. Right, you can go around your own house and explore different boxes and bottles to open. Just make sure they're nice and clean. And you can put them all together and then store them in a place where your children can access them. Make this together for a lot of family fun. Until next time, bye.
What?